Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sharice and you're here at the Severino Family Vlogs. So in today's video guys, we're going to be showcasing my husband Robert. He is going to share with you guys what he does on a daily basis. He's in the construction field. He's actually a stonemason, but he does pretty much everything. So you're going to see a day in the life of him on the job site with his crew. They're working in a beautiful, stunning location located in Estate Catherineburg or the Susannaburg area. If you're familiar with the island of St. John, you're going to see the stunning views and you're going to see his skill craft and all that they do, having fun on the job site while getting the work done. So if you guys are interested and you like today's video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up so we can know that you enjoy this type of video. And also, if you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do so. Subscription is totally free. Hit that notification bell so you will know every time we upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Yeah, today here in the Modern Island, we're doing some concrete here. You see how it look now? Later we will face to make it really good.
So how many are concrete waiting for?
Huh?
How many are concrete to put today?
We supposed to do 10 yard, 7 over here in this slab, and we have 3 more of them there.
Oh, that is nice, man. That is a nice place, man. Wow, I love this place, man.
Yeah, man.
If I have money, I go buy that. I go buy some pieces of land in order to build my house, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
You know, that's what we're here to make the thing make it look good.
Oh, wow.
Okay? And don't forget to subscribe.
Mila, look at
Hey, you
all
look good, man.
That, man.
Subscribe. Okay? You know what it is, bro. See you later.
Mira, yo estaba hablando con el primo mío, no sé si él está trabajando ahí. Cuando yo te diga, te lo van a mandar.
Asun, vamos. Как мне еще tu dia?
Dame la línea, dame la línea.
Yes, I. Living the dream in the Virgin Island.
Quite a nice place, man. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, nice place, nice
Daba
view.
para atrás, para el view.
Yeah, man.
Al view. Nice view, St. John.
That's right. We go right here. Subscribe. Okay, man. That's my work right there. That's a slab. You can see how it look like. Almost done. Just a little bit of concrete right there.
La 9. Son 9.
Menul cleaning the wood right now. That's Menul right there, and Miguel. Eh? We're on the job side.
Dale.
there. We have a dumpster.
Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until we see each other again, take care, stay safe, be well, and always remember, if there's anything in this world that you can be, always be kind. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.